Today, positive findings in advanced kidney cancer, a lung cancer drug approval in Europe, and promising results in ALL. Welcome to OncLive News Network. I'm Tara Petersen. Top-line results from the open-label Phase 3 Meteor study show that treatment with cabozantinib improved progression-free survival and overall survival compared with everolimus in patients with metastatic clear cell renal cell carcinoma who had progressed after prior VEGF receptor TKI therapy, according to manufacturer Exelixis. The company announced that the trial met its primary endpoint in the first 375 randomized patients, showing a statistically significant improvement in progression-free survival. Cabozantinib was associated with a 42% reduction in disease progression or death compared with everolimus. An interim analysis showed a 33% increase in overall survival. The company noted that the pre-specified p-value of 0.0019 was not yet reached. Serious adverse event rates were similar between treatment arms and discontinuation rates were low. The FDA granted cabozantinib Fast Track designation in April. The company plans to complete regulatory filings in early 2016 in the U.S. and European Union. In other kidney cancer news, BMS reported that the Phase 3 Checkmate 025 trial has been halted after an independent panel determined that Nivolumab improved overall survival versus everolimus in previously treated patients with metastatic clear cell renal cell carcinoma. As a result, patients will be allowed to cross over and receive Nivolumab in an open-label extension of the study. The trial randomized 821 patients to receive either Nivolumab at a dose of 3 milligrams per kilogram intravenously every 2 weeks or 10 milligram tablets of everolimus by mouth until documented disease progression or unacceptable toxicity. The primary endpoint is overall survival. The company noted that Checkmate 025 data will be presented at an upcoming scientific meeting. On the lung cancer front, the European Commission has approved Nivolumab as a treatment for patients with locally advanced or metastatic squamous non-small cell lung cancer following prior chemotherapy. Nivolumab is the first agent approved in Europe for patients with squamous non-small cell lung cancer in more than a decade. The decision was based on findings from the Phase 3 Checkmate 017 and the Phase 2 Checkmate 063 trials. In Checkmate 017, Nivolumab improved survival by more than 3 months versus docetaxel in previously treated patients. The median overall survival was 9.2 months with Nivolumab and 6 months with chemotherapy. In Checkmate 063, Nivolumab demonstrated a median overall survival of 8.2 months and a 1-year overall survival rate of 41%. In other news, Amgen announced that monotherapy with blinatumomab demonstrated promising results in adults with relapsed or refractory Philadelphia chromosome-positive B-cell precursor ALL. Although data from the open-label Phase 2 study are not yet available, Amgen reported that blinatumomab induced a complete remission or complete remission with partial hematological recovery rates within 2 cycles of treatment in a clinically meaningful number of patients. Additionally, the company noted that adverse events in the Phase 2 study were consistent with prior studies. The agent is approved for pH-negative ALL as a single agent. The treatment continues to be explored in combination strategies, specifically with chemotherapy in pH-negative ALL and with dasatinib in pH-positive ALL. That's all for today. Thank you for watching OncLive News Network. I'm Tara Petersen.